Unraveling, I didn't catch that, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, I didn't catch that. Understanding such phrases is key to improving your English communication skills. So, let's break it down together and make sure you're fully equipped to use it in your daily conversations. When someone says, I didn't catch that, they're not talking about missing a bus or failing to catch a thrown ball. In this context, catch metaphorically means to understand or hear something that was said. So, this phrase is a polite way of telling someone that you didn't understand what they just said, or that you didn't hear them clearly. It's a request for the speaker to repeat their words or to explain their statement more clearly. You can use, I didn't catch that, in various situations where clarity is essential. Here are a few examples. In a noisy environment, when background noise makes it hard to hear what the other person is saying. During a fast-paced conversation, if someone is speaking too quickly, and you need them to slow down. When dealing with unfamiliar vocabulary or accents, if the speaker uses a word you don't know or has an accent you're not used to. This phrase is particularly useful because it's polite and informal, making it perfect for everyday conversations. To keep your English conversation fluid and dynamic, it's great to have a few alternatives up your sleeve. Here are some polite ways to convey the same message. Could you repeat that, please? Sorry, I missed what you said. Pardon? More common in British English. Could you say that again more slowly? I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you just said. Using a variety of phrases can help make your English sound more natural and fluent. And there you have it. Next time you find yourself puzzled in a conversation, remember to use, I didn't catch that, or one of its alternatives to ask for clarification. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your communication and ensure you're truly engaging with the conversation. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English speaking skills. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.